In industrial bakeries, we often see contamination of the equipment and working environment. The filters, hoses and nozzles of your spraying system can get clogged because of an excessive fluid pressure. Dirty baking materials and working environments can seriously impact the quality of your baked goods and your production process. More frequently cleaning and earlier replacement of baking materials and spraying systems will be the consequence. This will increase your production cost as well as maintenance cost. Do you need help to solve your release agent challenges, or would you like to get advice from our release agent specialist for your situation? Get in touch with us for a tailor-made solution.